Providing an affordable yet reliable backup is essential to any business or MSP. That's why Atera has decided to partner with Acronis Backup Service, giving you the backup solutions you need so that your end users may feel comfortable knowing that their data is always safe and available. To begin using Acronis, we'll need to start by first enabling the service. Head over to the left-hand navigation panel and select Acronis. Here you'll be able to see Atera's Acronis pricing for both cloud backup as well as local backup. All users will begin with a 30-day free trial of Acronis. To activate, simply click on Try Before You Buy. The next 30 days of Acronis are completely free, which make this a great time to begin backing up your client's devices and allow for a 30-day historical backup. You'll now be prompted to input your email address to begin, after which you have to click Submit. Once this is complete, you'll receive an activation email to your inbox. The next step is to locate your activation email. Once you've found it, you'll notice that your activation email also provides you with your new login credentials. This will be used going forward to log into Acronis. When you're ready, click Activate Account. This will open a new page and allow you to create your account password. Input your password and confirm it. Once you're ready, click Next. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to accept all legal terms. Check the relevant boxes and click Accept. Once you've activated your Acronis Cyber Backup dashboard, you're ready to begin backing up your client's devices. To start, we'll begin by creating a customer. Head to the Clients tab and click on New on the top right-hand corner. Select Customer. Input your client's name. For the mode, select Trial or Production. If you assign your customer to Trial, your client's first 30 days are deemed a trial period and you will not be charged for backups. The client will automatically be moved into production after the initial 30 days are complete. Please note, if you change your client's mode into production prior to the 30-day mark, you will incur charges for any backups associated with the account. Click Next to continue. Here we can select our services. You'll notice that cyber protection is already enabled. Click Next to continue. Here we can configure the cloud backup services and select the backup types that are relevant for our client. Select Cyber Backup Standard Edition to select all relevant backup types. In addition, towards the bottom, you can select a local backup should you choose to. Click Next to continue. We're now ready to assign an administrator for our customer. Input the administrator's email address. Click Done to continue. An activation email has now been sent to the administrator, and you've just created your first client in the Acronis dashboard. Locate the activation email and click on Activate Account. You'll now be prompted to create a password for the client account. Input the password and click Next. You will then be asked to accept the legal terms associated with the end user. Click Accept. We're now in the client dashboard and can begin deploying an agent. To select the agent you'd like to download, click on Add Devices, and a list will appear before you. Choose the relevant agent, and you'll find the download at the bottom left-hand corner. Once the download is complete, double-click to begin the install process. Click on Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the agent. Click on Register the Machine and confirm registration. You've now successfully installed the Acronis agent. You may need to allow certain security parameters within the device. Follow the on-screen instructions to do so. You've successfully installed the agent and can now begin your backup. For more information on using Acronis, use the in-app help documentation or feel free to contact Atera support.